Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course. Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up, limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hadian baka Khasi Students Union KSU Barim Circle kalalap baka don kajingpan Kenya ka kundon haka rukom sam yaki self enumeration form hakas nong stop po opa Barim haka artarik unai tung araja arpun riu daki boot level officer ki bala sampai ba yaki form nakayeng saw MLA Barim ulet DN Joshi nakalia ka sang kamsham la shongkli kti nrei kala boot dia ni kene hadu ki bor panya district East Khasi Hills kumta haka laitarik unai tung araja arpun riu ki noilam ka KSU Central Executive Committee hapo ka jingalam u president Usamla Raymond Karjana bot General Secretary Usamla Ruben Anderson Najiar ringkat bat kiwai pat kinoilam naka KSU Barim Circle kilalait banya kendo yo Additional Deputy Commissioner ubat Ronison Walang kajing thmu jongkane kajing ya kendo ka longban pan jing pensai halor ka Special Intensive Revision SIR bat halor ka rukom sam yaki self enumeration form do boot level officer han nong sopo ka baka sengkala ong bakam shamla long kat kum ki kendon balapatha daki Election Commission of India namar yaki form shamla sam shaman la ki thliu Ïing Hakaji kran kinoilam ka KSU kilara shibon kijing kali bat kijing sokya ki berde bat ka Special Intensive Revision bat ka rukom pentrei kamyaka Nakaliang Additional Deputy Commissioner ulapan sya yaki noilam ka KSU halor kini benta bat ongru bagajing le jo boot level officer hakasngi ka baladap ka long ka Bakla Ulapan tebru baka District Administration kan shimkiai kan benta bat kan pensotho khamha yaki patba bat yaki boot level officer halor ki kendon jong ka Special Intensive Revision Hakani ke joko sngi u District Election Officer but Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwal kilapan tip baka office ka shimkiai kete jingkno balapha yo Assistant Electoral Registration Officer ban lejurup mardor hakate jaka ban lap yaki jingshisha Laong ba yo BLO be day bergani jingja la batha ban shimbyang no ya boroki enumeration form ki bala sam hak laipo tarik julio arja arpunrio hakashi tarik pat artarik unai tung arja arpunrio Nalor kata, naru kalai tarik unai tung arja arpunrio la batha bo BLO supervisor unsenran lang yo BLO haba sam yaki form shaki nong tap vote. U District Election Officer ulapan syairu bagajing temu jong Special Intensive Revision kam dai satiak ban penrong thamai ki nong tap vote reka long ban lum jing tip yaki nong tap vote ki bala dan lupa kat kum ke electoral roll jong snam arja arpusan bat ke legacy roll jong snam arja san.
Habatin, pej bahaki ki sharp plus F.
Ka plus F?
Haka bam bangi bam dunaki eki batte ye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kam lo ka umpnyang ka dot pej ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dor jing ki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan ra shapi ling ba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya